Numbers chapter 3. Make sure to like, share, and follow. These are the genealogies of Aaron and Moses at the time when Yahweh spoke to Moses on Mount Sinai. These are the names of the descendants of Aaron: Nadab, the firstborn, Abihu, Eleazar, and Ithamar. These are the names of the descendants of Aaron, the priests, the Ananites, the anointed ones, whom he consecrated as priests. Nadab and Abihu died before Yahweh when they presented a strange fire before Yahweh in the desert of Sinai, and they had no children. Eleazar and Ithamar served as priests during the presence of Aaron, their father. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, "Bring near the tribe of Levi, and set the tribe before Aaron the priest, and they will minister to him. They shall observe his duties, and the duties of their entire community before the tent of assembly, to do the work of the tabernacle. And they will keep all the vessels of the tent of assembly, and the responsibilities of the Israelites to do the work of the tabernacle. You will give the Levites to Aaron and to his descendants. They are surely assigned to him from among the Israelites. But you will count Aaron as his descendants. They will keep their priesthood, and their stranger who approaches will be put to death." Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, "I myself receive the Levites from the midst of the Israelites in the place of all the firstborn of the offspring of the womb from the Israelites. The Levites will be mine, because all the firstborn are mine. On the day of my killing all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, I consecrated for myself all the firstborn in Israel, both humankind and animal. They will be mine. I am Yahweh." Yahweh spoke to Moses in the desert of Sinai, saying, "Muster the descendants of Levi according to their families, according to their clans. You will count every male from 1 month and above." So Moses mustered them according to the command of Yahweh, just as he commanded. These were the sons of Levi according to their names: Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. These are the names of the sons of Gershon according to their clans: Libni and Shimi. And the sons of Kohath according to their clans: Amram, Izhar, Hebron, and Uziel. The sons of Merari according to their tribe: Mali and Mushi. These are the clan of the Levites according to their families. To Goshen belonged the clan of the Libanites, the clan of Shimonites. These are the clans of the Goshenites. The ones counted according to the number of every male from 1 month and above were 7,500. The clan of the Goshenites will camp behind the tabernacle to the west, and the leader of the family of the Goshenites is Elisaph, son of Lael. And the responsibility of the descendants of Gershon: the tent of assembly is the tabernacle, and the tent of covering it is, and the curtain of the doorway of the tent of assembly, the hanging of the courtyard, and the curtain above the doorway of the courtyard, and its courtyard that is around the tabernacle and the altar, and its tent cords, all of its use. To Kohath belongs the clan of Amorites, the clan of Ezrahites, the clan of Hebronites, and the clan of Uzalites. These were the clans of Kehathites according to the number of every male from 1 month and above. There were 8,600 keeping responsibilities of the sanctuary. The clan of the descendants of Kohath will encamp on the side of the tabernacle on the south. The leader of his family according to the clans of the Kohathites: the Ezaphan, son of Uziel. Their responsibility was the ark, the table, the lampstand, and the altars, these vessels of the sanctuary with which were ministered, and the curtain of all its uses. The chief of the leaders of the Levites was Eleazar, son of Aaron, the priest who had oversight of those keeping the responsibilities of the sanctuary. To Merari belonged the clan of Malites and the clan of Mushites. These are the sons of the Merari, the ones counted according to the number of every male. From Merari is Zerul, son of Abihalad. They will encamp on the side of the tabernacle to the north. The responsibilities of the sons of Merari were the supervision of the frames of the tabernacle, its bars, pillars, bases, and all its vessels, and all its service, and the pillars around the courtyard, and the bases, pegs, and cords. Those encamped before the tabernacle to the east, before the tent of assembly to the east, were Moses and Aaron and his sons, and they will keep the responsibility of the sanctuary for the Israelites. And the stranger who approaches will be put to death. All those counted from the Levites whom Moses and Aaron mustered according to the word of Yahweh, according to their clans, every male from 1 month and above, were 22,000. And Yahweh said to Moses, muster every firstborn male of the Israelites from 1 month and above, and count their names, and you will receive the Levites from me. I am Yahweh, in place of all the firstborn among the Israelites, and the animals of the Levites, in the place of the firstborn among the animals among the Israelites. So Moses mustered the firstborn among the Israelites, just as Yahweh commanded him, and all the firstborn males among the number of the names of the 1 month and above. The ones counted were 22,273. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, receive the Israelites in the place of all the firstborn among the Israelites, and the animals of the Levites in the place of their animals, and the Levites will be mine. I am Yahweh. And the ransom of the 273 of the firstborn of the Israelites who are excessive over the Levites, you will receive 5 shekels a person. In the sanctuary shekel, you will collect 20 gerahs per shekel. You will give the money to Aaron and his sons. The ransom of the ones are in excessive among them. And Moses received the money for the redemption from the ones who were excessive from those redeemed of the Levites, from the firstborn of the Israelites. He took the money, 1,365 shekels in the sanctuary shekel, and Moses gave the money of the ransom to Aaron and his sons according to the word of Yahweh, just as Yahweh commanded Moses. May God bless you, and may God bless the reading of his word.